Okay, so finally after how many months, ayan, naripot ko na itong aking tobacco plant. Times like this, it's okay to not be okay. This pot number 3, 4, 5, and ito yung mother plant. Today is Mother's Day, and look here, may pa-flowers. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. So, I'm back. I'm gonna vlog today. Sure na yan. I took a break for about, I would like to say 3 weeks. Kasi, hindi ko sure ha. Pero feeling ko mga 3 weeks ako hindi nag-vlog. I think yung last vlog ko, I was kind of explaining what I've been going through. The fact na it's starting to get into me, itong whole quarantine thing. And, you know, I was feeling anxious and all that. Tapos, I took a break from YouTubing. Like, literally, hindi ako nag-edit ng video, hindi ako nag-post for about a week. And then, after that, nag-post ako ulit, but still didn't vlog. So, ngayon lang ako bumalik. So, I think mga 3 weeks nga siya, or more than 2 weeks. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyway, regardless, but yeah, I took a break because I need to, you know, sometimes it's really okay to just step back. Times like this, it's okay to not be okay. So, if you're feeling the same, feeling mo, hindi okay yung pakiramdam mo, I would suggest na you take a break and rest. I-rest mo yung mind mo. Wag mo isipin yung, you know, the pressure or whatever. Take a break. Okay. So now, nagvo-vlog ako because nagsabi ako kay Ian na meron silang gagawing gardening project today. So, meron kaming mga itatry na method on how to regrow veggies. Actually, ang gagawin naman namin is, well, they're gonna try planting tomatoes and lemon. And ako, tatry ko rin mag-regrow ng onion and garlic. So, we'll see how this day will go. But that's the plan for today. Alam niyo naman, napakita ko na yan sa vlog. Meron kami mga tanim na kamatis, eggplant, at kalamansi. Naisip ko, mas okay kung madadagdagan natin, especially now na, alam mo yan, nandito lang tayo sa bahay. So, and also, kasi wala pa rin project sila Ian and AV for home economics. So, I figured it'd be a great project for them. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. It's another day. Wasn't able to vlog yesterday to continue vlogging what's new. Anyway, I'm just gonna have my breakfast. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is Mother's Day and look here. Wow! May pa-flowers. You like it? Flowers?
Oh no!
Hi! And nag-order si Omar ng food from Kabalen. So, we are going to eat lunch now. So, it's later in the day and hapon na ako nag-delay. Pero papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga diniligan ko. And an update. Okay. So, finally, after how many months? I think August ko ito binili. Or September, not sure. So, mga 7, 8 months. Ano ba? Basta yun. Bilangin na lang natin. Ayan, naripot ko na itong aking tobacco plant. And nadagdagan ko na yung soil. So, up to now, nandito pa ito sa labas. Kasi I'm still not sure if okay na siya ipasok. But yeah. Then, ito pa yung mga dinaligan ko. And also, an update sa aking Altissima. So, napansin ko na talaga infested na siya with mealybugs. So, what I do with that one is, tinatry ko siyang i-treat with neem oil and with alcohol. So, alternate lang. Minsan, neem oil yung sinisprayan ko siya. Minsan naman, wina-wipe ko talaga with alcohol, with cotton na may alcohol. So, ayun. And, yun lang. Just a quick update kasi feel kanina ako nag-update when it comes to my plants. Another update pala. This one, I don't know what's happening. But that's the philodendron Brazil that I have inside doon sa aking plant shelf. And As you can see, hindi siya masyadong masaya. But, I'll show you something. I have this one. This one right here, na mahabang-mahaba na siya. Ito ay galing doon sa isang seller na binilhan ko ng plants. And binigay niya sa akin yan as a freebie lang. And sobrang nakakatuwa kasi sobrang haba na niya ngayon. It started out na as in siguro mga 4 or 5 leaves lang. Tapos ngayon, sobrang haba na nung trail niya. So, I'm not that worried na medyo hindi okay yung Philo Brazil ko na yon, since meron pa akong isa. And siguro ang gagawin ko na lang is, depends, pero ang bala kong gawin is ilipat muna siya dito sa labas. Just like what I always do with my plants kapag medyo hindi sila okay inside. Just so it can recuperate or medyo okay yung kanyang lagay. Now, an update with my bigger plants. So, may bilite, still no new leaf. Ito yung latest niya. Na-picture ko to like 2 months ago, and yun pa rin yung leaf niya. This is my squamiferum. Still producing leaves, pero maliliit. So, what I think is, I think I have to repot the squamiferum in a bigger pot kasi feeling ko hindi masyado umaano yung nutrients sa soil kasi medyo nagiging air roots sa soil, sa roots. Kasi naging air root na siya since maliit lang yung aking pot. Hey guys! Good morning! Welcome to another vlog. So, yesterday, I did vlog but I was very productive. The whole afternoon, I spent it repotting my huge aloe plant. So, hindi ko inakala na sobrang dami na niyang uprooted na mga babies. And, ayun. Ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga na-repot ko. So, I have like, I don't know, I think 5 pots of aloe now. And, siguro yung iba yung isa siguro bibigay ko sa mommy ko pag tapos na yung ECQ. Or maybe I'm gonna sell some, I don't know. But, hopefully, mabuhay naman sila kasi I'm not sure about the root system nung mga nirepot ko kasi hindi ganun kalaki yung roots nila. I don't know if it's natural pagdating sa mga aloe, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show you. So, the first one, hinang ko siya dito sa aming dining. Ito siya. And then, I have another one sa living room. Ito yung unang-una ko nirepot. Posted this on my IG story. So, if you're not following me on IG, please do so. I'm gonna link my Instagram down below. But, ayan siya. This one smaller and cuter. Bagay na bagay siya dito. And then, I have 3 more outside. Aside from the mother plant. So, this pot number 3, 4, 5, and ito yung mother plant. Dito ko siya kinuha lahat. As in, sobrang punong-puno na yan. There's another huge overloaded aloe here. Which I don't know if i-repot ko na. I'm actually thinking kung i-repot ko na yon or i-observe ko muna yung mga nirepot ko yesterday just to see kung mabubuhay pa sila kasi baka mamaya sayang lang kung, alam mo yan, kung i-repot ko, tapos yung pala na mamamatay lang din yung mga nire-repot ko, diba? So, siguro i-observe ko na lang muna yung mga bago kong repotted na aloe before ko galawin yung isa pa. Yeah, today is, I think, the 58th or 59th day of quarantine. So, almost 2 months na tayo nandito sa bahay. Not almost. Actually, in my case, more than 2 months na akong nandito sa bahay lang, hindi lumalabas. And based on the news that I've read online, today yata i-announce ano yung magiging decision ng aming government regarding this. Kasi until May 15 talaga yung kanilang extension ng ECQ. But, of course, with what's going on, hindi pa natin sure kung masastop na siya or gagawin siyang, naka-quarantine pa rin, but hindi na siya enhanced community quarantine, kung gagawin ba siyang general. Hopefully, makapag-decide sila ng ayos according to ano talaga yung dapat.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Papa.
Who's that? Your puppy? Show them your puppy. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, yun lang. Kiss. Mwah. Okay, sige, we'll be right back later. Say bye. Bye. See you later. Alligator. Oh, sus.
Bye, alligator.
Bye-bye, alligator. Okay. Okay, guys. Just a quick update. Kasi, I gifted myself with a fiddle leaf. I used to have a fiddle leaf like 2 or 3 years ago. And I killed it. So, medyo, on the fence ako about getting another one. But then, isip ko, since mas marunong na ako ngayon mag-alaga ng halaman, and medyo meron na ako mga strategies na ginagawa kung halimbawa medyo feeling ko unhappy yung aking plants and all that. Naisip ko, why don't I give it a try? Try ko ulit mag-alaga ng fiddle leaf. So, I bought one. And, so far, for now, ito ko siya nilagay. Because again, this is the east facing window. Talagang nakakakuha ng light in a day and direct sunlight then in the morning. So, dun ko muna siya nilagay. Ayan siya. Maliit lang siya. Actually, mga 2 feet lang yata yan. More than 2 feet lang. Titingnan ko kung okay siya dyan. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Dahil syempre, ayoko mamatay yan. Because, as you all know, fiddle leaves are quite pricey. Especially dito sa Manila. But again, we'll try my best. Super init. Inakyat ko yung isang pot ng aloe. So, dapat dun ko siya ilalagay sa mga books ko. But, I wanna put a plant here sa library kasi itong area na ito, that one, this area, it gets morning light. And, kahit paghapon, maliwanag dito. So, ayan. Naisip ko, dito ko ilalagay yung isa. And I'll probably put like 1 or 2 more plants here. Kasi talagang ito sa library namin ay maliwanag na lugar. So, sayang naman, di ba? I think okay siya for plants. And actually, gusto ko rin maglagay dito sa kwarto. I'm thinking of putting another plant doon sa aking on top of that drawer. And then, siguro pag morning, ililipat ko siya dito sa may ayan, dyan. Since may space naman dyan, so pag umaga, pwede siyang maarawan dyan. But hindi pa ako nakaka-decide kung anong plant yung pwede ko iakyat dito. Anyway, umakyat ako dahil ako'y maliligo na. Hindi pa kami magla-lunch pa lang kami. Yeah, so ako iligo muna. Be right back.